Hi, Sahiba.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, nice to meet you. I'm Sonia.
Nice to
I'm
nice to
Saiba.
nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi, Saiba. Saiba, where are you?
I'm from India.
Oh, from India. Very
You?
nice. What part?
Jammu and Kashmir,
Northern part.
northern part.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah.
I'm from England, but
Oh, wow.
Sahiba, is that how I pronounce your name? Sahiba.
Sahiba, yes.
Sahiba, I live in Peru. Have you heard of Peru?
No.
No.
Okay. Peru is in South America.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Sahiba, tell me about yourself.
Introduction, yes.
My name is Sahiba Kosar. I am from India and currently I am studying in 11th class.
11th class, okay.
Yes.
So, how old are you?
I'm 17-year-old.
Wow, okay. Very young.
Yeah.
Sahiba, tell me what makes you happy?
Communicating with different people.
Communicating with different peoples.
Uh-huh. What else?
Painting.
Painting.
Painting?
Yes.
Wow. What do you like painting?
I paint nature.
I paint nature.
Wow. Beautiful.
Yes.
Do you like nature?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you like about nature?
The greenery.
The greenery.
Yeah. Do you like to see mountains,
Yes.
rivers?
I am living near
I'm living
near the mountain.
near the mountains,
Rivers.
rivers,
Trees.
trees.
Sounds like a beautiful place.
Yes.
Yes.
Sahiba, tell me, so you feel happy when you are painting and when you are communicating with others? Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
I listen.
I listen
English
English
audios.
audios
Do painting.
and do painting
And go to my
and go to my
relatives.
relatives home
Home and enjoy with
and enjoy with
the siblings and friends.
friends.
Good. How many brothers and sisters have you got?
I have two brothers and one sister.
Okay. And who are you, the oldest or youngest or?
I'm the youngest.
I'm the youngest.
Okay. So you are a student now. What do you want to do in the future?
I wanted to
I wanted to
be a scholar.
mm,
Be a scholar.
be a scholar.
Is that your dream?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you want to travel?
Yes, I like to
Yes, I like to
travel
travel
in different countries.
in different countries.
But for now,
But for now,
I'm
I'm
studying
studying
in a school,
in a school,
so not able to
so not able to
get time.
get time.
Yes, it takes time. After your studies, it will be better.
Yes.
Sahiba, if you could choose any country, what country would you like to go to first?
US.
US.
to the US. Okay.
Yeah.
Why?
Because there are
a lot of
lot of
things
things
like technology,
like
new
new
culture,
culture,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
scientists
and there are scientists
from
from
there,
there,
and I inspired
and I inspired
because
because
of them.
of them.
You're inspired by them. Yeah, inspired by them.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, very nice. Sahiba, what do you think about the food in the US? Do you think you would like the food in the US?
I don't know which food
I don't know which food
there is.
there is.
Okay, so there would be things like, well, they like to eat a lot of burgers and pizzas. Maybe they have Indian food, but it's not the same as India. Do you think you would miss Indian food?
Yes.
Yes.
What's your favorite food?
Dal roti.
Dal roti.
Dal roti. I like that too. How often do you eat dal roti?
3 times
3 times
in a week.
in a week.
3 times a week. Okay, good. So, what about Sabia? Do you like reading?
Yes.
Yes.
I like to read
I like to read
religious books
religious books
and also
and also
go to BBC,
good through BBC
English learning.
English learning.
Okay, good. Can you tell me about, do you have a favorite book?
Think and grow rich.
Think and Grow Rich.
Yeah, what's it about?
How to become rich.
How to become a rich.
How to become rich. Okay.
Yes.
How to become rich. Do you want to become rich?
Yes, of course.
Why? Tell me why. Why do you want to become rich? Rich with money or rich with life?
Financially freedom.
Freedom.
Financially freedom.
Financially freedom.
Yes. You want financial freedom. Yes.
Yeah.
So how are you going to get that? Did the book tell you what to do?
Now I started
Working on
websites
websites
with my brother.
with my brother.
Wow. Okay. So you already started working towards it.
Yes.
Wow. Good for you. How about Sabia? Do you want to ask me any questions?
Yes.
Yes.
You are living with your family
You are living with your family
or away from them?
or away from them?
Yes, I'm living far away from them. They are in England and I am in, Peru in South America. I miss them.
Okay.
And you have your partner
And you have your partner
or friends?
or friends?
Yes. Yeah, I have my partner. My boyfriend is here too, so we live together. So I am not alone.
Okay, great.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Have you visited India?
And
Have you visited
India
before?
before?
I have visited India. Yes. I did my yoga training in India in Rishikesh a few years ago. And I love India very much. Yeah, I would like to come back and travel some more. Yeah. It's a beautiful country.
So, what's your profession?
So my profession is as an English teacher. I teach English and also I'm a yoga teacher as well. So yeah, I'm a teacher. I like teaching.
Okay.
Sabia, we are almost out of time. So I want to say thank you for joining me today. It was lovely to meet you.
Same to you.
Same to you.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay.